Hello, I'm Brett Stewart with the CattleFax closing bell for Thursday, October 6th. While the U.S. is the largest beef producer globally, imports and exports have become a much larger part of the U.S. beef equation. In 2011, the U.S. is exporting roughly 54 million pounds of beef every week to 123 countries around the globe. In fact, 11% of U.S. beef production will be exported this year, up from 9% last year and 7.5% in 2009. Tight global beef supplies and rising incomes are fueling demand for U.S. beef overseas. One shift that is occurring is the diversification of export markets. You can see in this chart that the top four markets of Mexico, Japan, South Korea, and Canada are being eclipsed strongly by the collective other markets. These collective other markets will buy nearly 1 billion pounds of beef in 2011, more than Japan bought each of the 2 years prior to the BSE bans. At the same time U.S. beef exports are growing, U.S. beef imports have been declining. The collective net trade position has resulted in a trade deficit for beef, meaning that more beef is exported than imported. This is a major trend change in U.S. beef supplies and has been the driving factor for tighter beef supplies here at home. In fact, the decline in net beef trade has reduced U.S. beef supplies by over 4 billion pounds annually since 2004. That's more than 13 pounds for every American. Trade will continue to be a key driver of U.S. beef supplies and prices. Expect global demand growth to continue for U.S. beef. Now your weekly commodity markets. The Fed cattle market was steady to $1 higher this week, with the bulk of live trade priced at $121 per hundredweight. On a dressed basis, sales occurred at $190 to $191 per hundredweight, and overall trade volumes were moderate. Prices in the wholesale beef market were $1 higher. Domestic demand has remained limited, but prices were supported by tighter supplies and higher fed cattle prices. Sale volumes were lighter than last week, and estimated packer margins suggest beef is losing money at current prices. Feeder cattle values were $2 to $5 higher on the week, and calf prices were generally uneven. Slaughter cow prices improved $2 to $3. Corn prices moved 30 cents per bushel lower on mixed news regarding exports and harvest yields. Market participants are mostly anticipating the release of the USDA crop production report next Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit CattleFax.com for your latest market news and analysis.